We have 5 questions for you to answer. The first question to the fourth question is 500 naira. Then to get to the fifth question, we call it double the cash. Now, you know that at the fourth question is 2,000 naira. So if you want to double the cash, it's 4,000 naira. Now, you can call a friend you can ask a friend if you don't know the question. You can walk away when you have answered the second question. From the second question, you can walk away. So you walk away before the question. What does SPF in sunscreen stand for? This is what we say every day. SPF in sunscreen. What does it stand for?
I swear I don't know.
No break. Baba, you can't stop her. She's unstoppable.
SPF.
Yes.
Superfluoride.
There's 3 now. SPF. So you have called S. The P is not F now.
Sodium potassium fluoride.
What it stands for. You're not asking for the chemical, whatever. That's all.
SPF and sunscreen. I really don't know. I don't know.
It stands for sun protection factor. You know, these things are the things that you know, but your mind not they tell you say you are.
That's why I said I don't know it. The questions you asked me.
Is that right? Is that right? Okay, so I know you are ready to win this 4,000 naira. You must win it. There's nothing like giving it a try. Collect the money. You must be positive when you are speaking. Sure. Okay, question number 1. Go stores. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Explorer are different types of what?
Repeat the questions.
Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Explorer are different types of what?
Browser network. Like different type of browser network.
That's your final answer? Okay, I'll give it to you. Chop knuckle now, chop knuckle. I'll give it to you. Actually, there are different types of web browsers. But since you mentioned browsers, I'll give it to you. And I told you that one question is 500 naira. Here is it. So, question number 2. Go stars. What famous ship sank in the year 1912?
Titanic.
Nice.
Correct. Let me mark my 500. Okay, question number 3.
Listen to the question.
Every Sunday, your neighbor will call you. May you come top rice.
Are you sure?
Calm down. Question number 3. Hold on now. Wait. You are scared. Wait. Calm down. Question number 3.
Wait.
Before we go to that question number 3, do you want to walk away or you want to go to question number 3? Remember, if you fail the third question, you will lose the money.
I have to work away. I have to work away.
Okay, certain. You have collected the 1,000 naira. Okay, but let me ask you the third question. You have it has been this with you. We just want to see if your decisions were right. Okay. What is the smallest country in the world?
In this country, I've forgotten. It's on sea. There's one small.
Name.
I don't know to forget this name. I just find out recently. But I have the idea. It's on a seashore, right?
Okay. So your decision was actually the right decision. The answer is Vatican City. Okay, so what do you have to say to the audience?
It's good to give a try.
Okay.
So whatever you think you can, like, you just have to give it a try with whatever comes your way. So I thought I'm not going to win the 1,000 because I didn't even have the mind. But this how it comes. I won the 1,000, and it's God that said I should work out. I will have do everything. You can follow her on TikTok or any other social media website of her, and likes and share.
Thank you.